Imagine a viral AI-powered short that captivates millions. Seamless visuals, engaging narration, and flawless editing, all created with the power of AI. The future of short-form content is here, and AI is leading the way. AI tools are revolutionizing video creation, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality shorts. In this video, we'll explore 5 key trends that can take your shorts game to the next level. Trend 1. AI-powered shorts. AI is transforming video creation by making it possible to generate visuals, write scripts, and edit footage with just a few clicks. Text-to-video generators. AI tools like Runway ML, Pika Labs, and Synthesia can turn simple text into engaging video content. AI voiceovers. Platforms like Murf AI, 11 Labs, and Playat generate lifelike voiceovers, eliminating the need for expensive recording setups. AI video editing. Tools like CapCut AI, Wondershare Filmora, and Descript automate editing, add effects, and enhance video quality effortlessly. Using AI can help save time, boost creativity, and improve video quality, making your shorts stand out from the crowd. Trend 2. Interactive storytelling. Engagement is key, and interactive shorts are taking over. Creators are using polls, questions, and quizzes to increase viewer interaction and build stronger communities. See real examples of interactive shorts that keep audiences hooked. Learn how to add interactive elements to your videos for maximum engagement. Discover why audience participation is the secret to viral success. Trend 3. Short-form educational content. Educational content is booming on shorts, with creators delivering bite-sized knowledge in an engaging way. Explore examples of successful educational shorts that simplify complex topics. Get tips on making your content informative, entertaining, and easy to understand. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and Claude can help generate scripts, while Canva AI and Pictory assist in creating engaging visuals for your shorts. Trend 4. The rise of niche communities. YouTube Shorts is becoming home to thriving niche communities, where creators connect with specific audiences based on shared interests. Understand the power of finding your niche and building a loyal following. See how niche creators are dominating their space with hyper-focused content. Get actionable strategies to establish and grow your own niche community. Trend 5. Music and sound design. The right music and sound effects can make or break a short. Smart sound design enhances engagement and increases the chances of going viral. AI music generators, tools like Aiva, SoundRaw, and Beatbot can generate unique background music for your videos. AI sound effects. Platforms like Boomy and VoiceMod help add immersive sound effects and customized audio. Learn how to choose trending music that complements your content. Discover techniques to use sound effects for dramatic impact. Get practical tips on sound editing to make your shorts more immersive. By leveraging these AI-powered tools and trends, you can unlock the full potential of shorts and create content that captivates, engages, and grows your audience. Ready to take your shorts to the next level? Let's dive in.